So guys, good day. So another website guys for local business guys na ginawa natin is ito guys. Websites for moving companies guys. Yung mga hakot bahay kay ba? Kung sa Pilipinas pa is yung mga hakot bahay na websites. Ayan. Yung, so sa US, mga kuan ito guys, moving companies. Ayan. So, ito yung website para sa kanila guys. So, ginawa ko to guys using Google AI Studio. Tapos, hinost ko to sa Netlify para maging live siya guys. As you can see, ito yung kanya, hero section niya. So, same pa rin, may eyebrow section, main header, description, or subheading, tsaka may button, tsaka may trustworthy signals guys. Ito, 5,000 successful moves across San Diego and beyond. So, same pa rin, dapat dito guys, may keyword dito guys. So sa paggawa natin, wala tayong keyword na nilagay dito. So dapat meron to guys, San Diego. Then dito dapat meron din guys. So dapat meron tong target keyword tsaka location. Pero ang importante is nandito yung kuan guys, limang section guys. Eyebrow section, main header, subheading or description, CTE box or CTE button, tsaka yung trustworthy signals. Right side naman is may review ako dito. So, pwede nyo ito palitan, image nyo, or form, or kahit anong kan guys, conversion rate form guys, pwede nyo lagay dito. Akin is, ginawa ko is Google review. Yan. So, bakit Google review? So, kasi guys, pag maraming review guys, so dyan tayo kan bibili ng product or service. So, ganyan. Inuna natin yung mga trust signals guys. Ayan. So, meron dito guys, unique selling points. Ayan, unique selling points. Tsaka professional services guys. O, lahat ng services about moving companies, ilagay nyo dito guys sa homepage. Tapos make sure naka-kuan ito guys, may mga own landing page to guys, lahat ng mga services. Sa internal linking to. So, nakaganda dito guys is may kwento guys, calculator, which is the moving cost calculator, which is your customers guys is pwede silang mag-select ng ang mga product guys or ng mga bagay na ipamove nila guys. Yan. So, may miles din dito. You can see if malayo yung distansya guys, yung pricing is tataas din. Yan. Guys. So, dito, why choose as sections naman. Yan. Yan. Diba? Napakaganda siya niya guys. Then, ito, how it works section. So, meron siyang process or workflow guys on how this moving company works. Ganyan. NCT button. Tapos, another reviews, testimonials. Yan. Ganyan din dyan dito guys. Pwede nyo itong slider guys. Pwede nyo yung slider yan. And then, case study guys or sa mga successful clients nila guys. Ayan. So, the challenge, meron din guys ito. Challenge or the problem, the solution, and the result. Importante yan guys. And so, residential and commercial. Then, FAQ or knowledge-based FAQs guys about the moving company. Yan. Yan, nakaganda yan. Very clean talaga guys. So, dito may, dito guys, contact form at CTE. Yan, location. So, dapat dito guys, may Google Map. So, hindi ko nalagyan. Pero may Google Map dito sa banda guys, either sa footer or dito. Ito naman yung footer section niya guys. Oh. Napaka-kuan guys, napaka-clean. Ganda tingnan guys, very aesthetic guys. Simple but kuan guys. Then may kuan din siya guys dito. May auto chatbot siya guys dito. So sa header naman dito, may free quote siya dito. Kuha naman yung main header niya guys. Sticky. Yan. Habang nag-scroll ka guys, sticky lang siya dyan. Steady lang siya. Yan. For the mobile version naman guys, kung titingnan natin yung mobile version niya. So ito yung mobile version niya guys. Oh. Yan, di ba? Napakasulit guys. Napakaganda tingnan. Mobile friendly talaga siya guys. Yan. Ito yung mobile version niya guys. Tinignan niyo. Di ba? Very simple. Ayan. So sa mga moving business dyan, wala pa kayong website guys. So ito. Gayahin nyo tong template na to guys. Ayan. Gayahin nyo to. So thank you so much guys. So see you for the next video.